Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I will be talking about some important tips and tricks for digital marketing, or say only marketing. So let's start with these tips and tricks. I will be sharing eight amazing tips that you can use on a daily basis to know your customer better, maybe to rank your website on Google. So let's start with these tricks. So first is understand your customer. Suppose you are running an advertisement for say beauty products, but you are targeting all kind of countries, and you are targeting like all genders, say male, female, you are targeting everyone. So do you think that males will really be interested in your product? Obviously no. So you need to target your customer as your say females. Like if I talk about your customers for makeup or for cosmetic products, so I think females would be the most suitable customer for this such kind of products. So you need to target only females and not males. So understanding your customer in a better way can help you in a better manner, and also it can help you to save your time and efforts. Let's jump into second one. Second is use shorter subject line. So whenever we get emails and there are long subject line, we are not at all interested to read such like longer subject lines. So it's good if we are using short and precise subject line, that we are using at least 4 to 5 keywords, that is covering all processes or all works that we want to share to someone who is going to read it. Next is outdoor advertising. Say suppose if I am traveling by a bus, and like bus is, because of traffic I need to stop, or bus has been stopped at some point. So what I'll do, or what all the passengers that is sitting inside, what they will do, they'll start looking outside, and there would be lot of billboards where they can read, and there like where they can get to know about lot of products. So try to do outdoor advertising. It's okay if you are running ads on social media, it's okay if you are giving some kind of perks, or say some kind of discounts, but outdoor advertising, say out like billboards or pamphlets, these are some of the ways that help you to grab attention of your audience. Next is engage on social media. Not only using traditional marketing, but also if you are using digital marketing, you can grab or you can hit another set of audience. So don't forget social media, because it's a powerful tool that you can get, or you can hit another set of audience. Maybe your sales will start increasing, and you can do better than what you were doing in past days. Next is explore SEO. So when we talk about SEO, it's like the way which, if we are using that way, we can easily rank our website on Google. So if you want to rank your website on Google, so you need to explore SEO. You need to understand what is SEO, how it is has like how is it helpful for your company. And yeah, you need to think about this, because suppose I'm looking for some, say, clothing. So what I'll do, I'll write online store, clothing online store for female. Now I will be getting some like results on Google search engine. So what I'll do, I will be going through top 3 or say top 4 results, but I want, or say we want, look for remaining or rest of the results that Google is like giving to us. So obviously we will be looking for 1 2 3 or fourth results of Google. So it is something like starting, if I talk about starting 3 to 4 results, when you see these results you can see AD. So it means that person has been ran some ad to show, or to like to rank on Google at first position. So you also need to do the same. You have to do apply some SEO for your website. You need to run some kind of advertisement. You need to spend a small amount of like a small amount to run, or say to rank your website on Google. So yeah, doing this is also an efficient way to do well in marketing. Next is send a clear message. Many times I have got some kind of mails or message where I am not at all clear that what the sender wants to convey, like what kind of message that person is conveying to me. So just send your clear purpose of sending that message to someone, so that if I'm reading say first 2 to 3 lines, I can get to know that what you want to say, what kind of help you want from me, what kind of services you are providing me, or say what kind of products you have been launched, or what kind of products can increase or can add value in my life. So yeah, I will be buying those products if they are adding any kind of value in my life. Next is run a competition. To grab audience, it's a great way to conduct some events, to conduct some quizzes, to conduct some competition. So to engage your audience in a better manner, you can run some competition on social media or on say offline also. Next is be consistent. It's not fine if you are doing something today or 1 week, and then if you are not at all getting any result, you stop to this. So it's not like that. You need to be patient enough, you need to do in a consistent manner. So maintain consistency so that you can get better results in future. Next is get to grips with digital marketing. You should understand the meaning of digital marketing, how it work, what is social media marketing and all. Then you can also do it better in marketing. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like this channel, if you like my content, please share my content or say video, and subscribe to my channel, like my video. And also if you have any kind of doubt, just let me know. I will be coming or with a video where I will be covering your doubt also. And if you want any video or any topic for me to come up with, so just let me know, and we'll be coming soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye.